sentence. Often, the first sentence will give an overview that helps provide a framework for adding details. Also, look for transitional words, phrases, or paragraphs that change the topic. Now, anticipate and predict. This is very important in English. I used to say my students this only, that if you don't know the meaning of any word, if you are at home, if you are in the class, take help of the teachers. But during the examination, there is nobody there to help you. So at that time, what to do? So once when you will read the passage, the lines, you can just predict that. And when you predict what happens now, means 99% is correct. ठीक है? If the English teacher or the Hindi teacher do the correction, she just want a perfect meaning. At that time, हो सकता है she won't give marks. But then also she has to give. But in the examination, what is happening? हम लोग को बस मतलब जानना रहता है. तो most of the cases now, when they read the sentence and predict, ठीक है, अनुमान लगा लेते हैं. तो most of the time, few cases में होता है, first cases बहुत ही hard है. So it happens कि उनको meaning पता चल जाता है. So Palani ma'am, do you agree with this? I was asking that if anybody doesn't know the meaning of any word while reading the passage, we teachers used to say that in the examination hall, what you have to do? You have to read the sentence once, twice, and you have to predict. अनुमान लगाना है कि क्या हो सकता है. This is only the way, na? In the most of the cases, they get success, isn't it?
Okay.
Yes. So if you are right, this enforces your understanding, and if you are wrong, you make adjustment quicker. Now, create motivation and interest. Preview material, ask questions, discuss ideas with classmates. The stronger your interest, the greater your comprehension. This happens कि हम लोग को जिस टॉपिक में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है, तो हम लोग उसके बारे में ज़्यादा बोल पाते हैं. Pay attention to supporting clues. Study pictures, graphs, and headings. Read the first and last paragraph in a chapter or the first sentence in each section. Now, study pictures, graphs, and headings. This is very important in English and in Hindi. Nowadays, जो भी हम लोग यहाँ analytical paragraph आता है या जो भी आता है, means what is happening? Graph दिया जाता है. The students have to just see the graph. They have to understand the graph कि graph क्या बोल रहा है, ठीक है? And then they have to write down after understanding. Just reading a book once is not enough. Even the novels. If we read once, means if we have understood or we have developed interest, then what is happening? We just read once again. And reading just once is not enough. To develop a deeper understanding, you have to highlight, summarize, and review important ideas. Now, building a good vocabulary. For most educated people, this is a lifetime project. In our schools, also teachers were saying just make a copy, whatever hard words you are finding, you just write down that. Even when we just tell the students to read, we just tell you whatever word meanings you don't know, you just write down and you find out in the dictionary. Not to Google. Why? When we are having mobiles at home in our hand, what is happening? हम लोग कहीं और भटक जाते हैं, isn't it? So pocket dictionary is a very must. The best way to improve your vocabulary is to पहले एक वहाँ लिखा हुआ है कि best way is to use a dictionary regularly. You might carry around a pocket dictionary and use it to look up new words, or you can keep a list of words to look up at the end of the day. Concentrate on roots, prefix, and endings. Monitor effectiveness. Good readers monitor their attention, concentration, and effectiveness. They quickly recognize if they have missed an idea and back up to read it. This happens. Even the student who is not good in grammar also. Sometimes while reading, he feels कि नहीं ये नहीं होगा. Sometimes happens कि मैम ये नहीं होगा. Was नहीं, has नहीं होगा, had होगा. He is correct. reading, after reading, what happens is we have the habit of recognizing. You become an excellent reader with practice. So I think everybody agrees with this. That practice makes a man perfect. So what's the reward of reading? Doors will open for you. You will be successful at achieving your dreams and aspirations. Means many times we have seen also that written they qualify and interview के बाद बात हो रही है. So means at that time what happens, you have to develop your personality, your speaking skill. Interesting activities, isn't it? We can just practice one activity. Do you speak fluently? Once I am going to read, okay, then I will just see who wants to speak. A mathematician can mathematize mathematics mathematically. So if a mathematician can mathematize mathematics mathematically, why can't I mathematize mathematics mathematically like a mathematician who mathematizes mathematics mathematically? Who wants to speak? Okay. Yes, there should be enough activities.
Just like चंदू के चाचा ने चांदनी चौक पे चांदी के चप्पल से चढ़ के चढ़ाए. Exactly.
Means we have to just make the class interesting also. It should be full of fun. Obviously, it is very difficult in a large class, but somehow we have to do in such a way that they can get some knowledge. Because sometimes the condition of few classes are so poor now that we have to sit and we have to think what has to be done. Just completing our subject, just the book, this should be not our goal, isn't it? Okay. So, Kalan ma'am, once again.
Remember that everybody will say yes.
Yes, once again. And who will try? A mathematician can mathematize mathematics mathematically. So, if a mathematician can mathematize mathematics mathematically, why can't I mathematize mathematics mathematically like a mathematician who mathematizes mathematics mathematically? Even a student will enjoy, isn't it? And the next day, they will come prepared. And what is our goal? कि बस तुम प्रैक्टिस करो ना, है कि नहीं? किसी को ये नहीं करना कि तुम नहीं कर पाए, isn't it? Okay, so अच्छा मैं देख सकूँ ये ना एक लास्ट वीडियो आप देख कर दीजिए. ना
क्लास है ना.
नहीं
Mexico. अच्छा अच्छा. Yes, कोई नहीं बोलेगा.
yes.
No.
अभी मैम तो बोला था ना मैं छोड़ देना था. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. What's your question? Why are you calling me? So we have to remember this. We can call from now today from the beginning that there should be no yes or no. There should be full sentence. Because गलत भी बोलेंगे. At least now you will see few students. I will not say the class or the name of the student, but I felt yesterday so sorry ना. पहले तो उसको डांटे, ठीक है, फिर उसको सामने बुलाए, ठीक है, तो वो धीरे धीरे बोला करना कम है. उसके बाद फिर जब मुझसे पूछा ना मैम ये वर्ड की, एंड आई सॉ कि द वर्ड लेना है, योर वर्ड लेना है, लेकिन जहाँ पे कुछ हार्ड वर्ड आ रहा है तो पूछ रहा है. देन आई फेल. अच्छा, दिस वाज द रीजन. सो वी हैव टू डू समथिंग सो दैट एट लीस्ट दे कैन रिकॉग्नाइज द वर्ड एंड दे कैन रीड. ओके, तो ये जो अभी जो हम लोग किए, ठीक है, ये थोड़ा सा टफ लगेगा, लेकिन जब बच्चे को इंटरेस्टिंग लगेगा तो लिख के ले जाएंगे घर में. मैम आज हमसे हो गया, ठीक है. ओके, सर हैज गॉट अगेन. Okay, so the video will see the the next day. I think you people enjoy. And I just kept a video so that if you people don't enjoy, huh? Yes, yes. Have you taken? Yes or no?
Of course, I have taken. I have taken my lunch, but I think I shouldn't till now. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I will just think about your punishment.
Tell me what I
Two activities I will make you do.
do again now. Tell me.
Okay, set.
What?
Next. Learning is, ma'am, is just, you don't have to say it. Help her. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for the punishment.
See, from this what happened? So inactive थी तो active भी हो गए. Just हो गए कि ये तो हमने नहीं बोला है. इसलिए okay. Now, we were just talking about reading, how to inculcate this proper history. They can just, they will know how to teach them. ठीक है? For example, I just made Amita made just to read one paragraph, isn't it? So in that time, what is happening now? If you students are listening, you are not listening, ठीक है? But if we just say that one of you read and rest of you just underline all the nouns in that paragraph. We have the opportunity now that we are having 3 rows. Each class is having 3 or 4 rows, isn't it? So, if you have time, if you want to just make the class more enjoyable or fun, you can do that way also. Or you can just say that one will read and the other rest all will just underline all the nouns. Team 1 will underline 5 nouns. Team B will underline verbs, conjunctions. Is that clear? At that time what will happen? बता सकते हो एक जो रीडिंग सुन रहा था बस आराम से और अगर एक हम काम दे देते हैं then there will be a difference. There will be a difference now. So he will just start underlining, isn't it? So the speaker in the story is a writer who has. So what happens at that time? They will underline all the noun, and at that time the noun will be left. You people can add, teacher can add कि देखो बेटा ये छूट गया तुमसे, ठीक है? अगर गलत बोल दिया तो उसको सुधारा जा सकता है. Means what you may कितना चीज हो गया? एक हो गया कि आपने रीडिंग करवा दिया, दूसरा हो गया इतने कि वो नाउन भी जान गया, ग्रामर भी हो गया, तीसरा है कि वो थोड़ा एक्टिव भी हो गया. अक्सर क्लासेस में कुछ बच्चे जो पीछे वाले बच्चे हैं या जो साइड कॉर्नर में हैं वो अक्सर ही मतलब कि कितना टीचर्स रोटेशन करवाए कुछ भी करवाए तो लार्ज क्लासेस में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. लेकिन अगर इस तरह का एक्टिविटीज हम कर रहे हैं तो आई थिंक देयर विल बी अच्छी, isn't it? So now speed reading. For what purpose would you speed reading? What are some tips that you know already? How can you get faster? Now step 2, reading faster. Get your body ready. Sit up straight, edge of the chair, feet flat on the floor or stand. The first thing. Now set a time limit. The very first thing is that we have to inculcate just reading habit. सबसे पहले तो रीडिंग करेंगे, बाद में स्पीड बढ़ाएंगे. पहले तो स्पीड नहीं बढ़ सकता है, लेकिन once when you have come to know how to read, after that set a time limit. Use a clock, digital watch or a stopwatch. Set realistic goals. Set a goal to read 2 or 3 sections of a chapter in an hour. इस तरह से आप उनका गोल रखिए कि पहले जब आप एक स्लो रीडर हो, जब आप स्टार्ट किए हो तो कितना पढ़ना है. देन सेट अ गोल फॉर 50 मिनट्स. जब आप देख लें कि मेरे इतना देर में हो जा रहा है तो फिर इस टाइम को आप घटा लीजिए. Give yourself a little push to cover the materials in less time. Relax. It promotes concentration. Remember, it's बैठ गए हैं और ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं कि क्या हो रहा है चारों तरफ. We are unaware. So we have to just relax. Relax करने से क्या होगा? Concentration. Now, move your eyes faster. We are teachers, we know these things. Our eyes look at text in fixations called scalades. Our eyes physically take in groups of words at a time, usually 3. Although we experience the illusion of continually scanning text, our eyes stop at those certain fixations. Try to increase the groups of words from 3 to 6 at a time. Use a pencil or an index card as a guide. This happens with us. When we are aware of the words, ना हम लोग फटाफट पढ़ते जाते हैं और जहाँ कहीं अगर अटक गए तो उसमें क्या होता है कि थोड़ा सा हम लोग रुक जाते हैं. This is the way how we can just break the sentence into phrases and we can just help the students to read. Now, if you are pressed for time, skim. Read the headlines, subheadings, charts, graphs and summary paragraph. Skimming of the do ना बस एक जैसे हम न्यूज़पेपर ही है. रीड तो करने नहीं बैठते सुबह में, क्यों रीड करता है कभी. बस एक हम लोग क्या करते हैं, एक नज़र से हम लोग स्किमिंग करके देख लेते हैं. Stay flexible. Skillful readers vary their reading rates according to the nature of the material, or you can use different rates with the same material, such as skimming a chapter before you read it carefully. Explore more resources. There are speed reading classes offered, internet, articles, books about reading rates. The first rule of reading fast, just do it. Practice increasing your reading rate. I'm just finishing quickly because the bell will go. Now practice increasing your reading rate. Choose